We just finished riding on the floats, passing out beads, tossing beads, trying to get them to people.
Not hit people, but toss to them. We had a blast.
It was so much fun. So we were assigned to the fire float.
It was amazing. Because
So-
we're sizzling.
It's part of a dining package. So you pay for the dining package, you get a 3-course meal, and then you get to essentially just ride on the float.
These are to be squeaked.
Yep.
Not to be thrown from the parade.
My
And
baby
yours
will love it.
forever.
I love it.
Yay, thank you.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Fire, I like it.
We're on, is it
Fire? Yes. Yes.
We're getting our costumes on.
tie back? The costumes for tonight, the piece of the beads goes out on front. Underneath of it is a big apron, like a cooking apron. You have the strings tied off on the side as well.
Cool. Shut up.
Oh, look at the confetti! Are we the confetti?
Good catch. Dang, they're fighting. Those people got the knockdown, drag out fight.
Why is there so much glitter on your face?
You know, I should have done it cute, like put it on my cheeks, but instead I just mashed my face into this one. And then I did this. Happy Mardi Gras! Thanks for watching. To see more of us at Universal, just click right here.